Today we talk about how can you select font size on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on options. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on appearance. When you just click here on appearance, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to font size, then here can you select it in this list here. So like you see here, can you select your font size like you see now? It's going to select with us here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.